Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing how to make a rich flavorful carrot stew with no tomatoes at all. If this is the first time coming across my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be notified when I drop any video. Thanks for stopping by. So tomatoes are so expensive right now, that doesn't mean we can't enjoy our favorite dishes. So let me show you how I turn this carrot into pots of delicious stew. Let's get started. So I made use of carrots, red bell peppers, Scotch bonnet, that is a taro dough, onions, garlic and ginger, chicken, seasoning cube, salt, curry, thyme, paprika, and vegetable oil. Feel free to make use of any protein of your choice. So I started by seasoning my chicken and let it cook. So I used onions, garlic powder, ginger powder, my seasoning cube, salt. I always want to make use of the regular thyme and curry to season. So mostly I prefer using the fresh garlic and ginger just to blend them, but unfortunately I don't have any at home. That's why I had to go in with what I have, which is the garlic powder and ginger. So if you have the fresh one that you can easily blend, please make use of it. It's also a game changer, trust me. So while the chicken was on fire, I started cleaning my carrots to cut them into smaller pieces so my blender can blend it properly. Also, I made use of soft chicken so it won't spend so much time on fire. So you just put your seasoning and let it simmer with this and bring out its own juice before adding a little water. So at this point I am about to add little water. Yup. So cover and let it cook, and then you go ahead to fry the chicken. At this point our chicken is ready, so we take it off the heat.
Where dreams take flight and hearts feel right. Hearts feel right. Baking smiles and camera view.
Now let's blend our carrots and our peppers. So just blend everything at once. Yep, put in your blender and let it blend. So I'm using the same oil I used to fry the chicken. So you fry your chopped onions until fragrance, and next you pour in your blended carrots, pepper mix, and stir properly. So let them saute for a few minutes, and you go in with your blended carrot mix. So make sure you stir occasionally so it doesn't burn. You start to see the oil rise to the top, then you know it's cooking nicely. And then you add your chicken stock, but I don't think I captured that part. So you add your chicken stock, then you feel free to adjust with seasoning. After adding your chicken stock, don't forget your chicken stock already has seasoning on it, so you don't add your seasoning until you've added your chicken stock, so you can adjust. So now I added my chicken. Then when I noticed it wasn't really giving, I had to add more proteins. I added fish and eggs. Yep, I didn't show this at the beginning, but I added it later because it wasn't really giving me what I wanted. I needed more fun to it. So if you need to adjust your seasoning at this point, test for salt and adjust your seasoning if needed. The stew should be thick, colorful, and packed with flavor. The carrot gives it a slight sweetness, but it still tastes just like your regular tomato stew. You can enjoy it with rice, pasta, yam, plantain, or even bread. So serve and enjoy. So if you've watched my video to this point, it means you enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your meal. And see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button. Tap the bell icon so you never miss any of my delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
The way you are, with love and joy from near and far, we rise, we glow, crystal stars.